Ali was in school one day when he lost his pencil. He asked his friend Sara, "Can I borrow yours? I promise I will give it back to you." Sara smiled and said, "Of course, Ali." But when Ali got home, he realized he had forgotten to return the pencil. He felt guilty and couldn't sleep well that night. The next morning, Ali rushed to Sara and said, "I am sorry, Sara. I forgot to give this back." Sara smiled kindly and said, "That's okay, Ali." From that day on, Ali never forgot his promises again because he learned that promises are important to keep.